Hello, so little time. What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Shay. I'm here to share all the early access Black Friday deals over at Shein with you guys. I placed another order. If you guys saw my last video, baby, I got into the new pajamas. I'm kind of slowly transitioning my wardrobe into fall and also winter staples just because that's my favorite time of the year. I freaking love layers. I love knits. I love playing with different textures. I also wanted to get some different sizing. I have some sizes in large. Typically at Shein, I get mediums. Black Friday is probably one of my favorite times of the year to just see what's going on online as far as shopping. And when I tell you that Shein has all the deals, you can get up to 90% off of Shein with the early access Black Friday / Cyber Monday deals. So I'm definitely going to put you guys on and link you to all of these pieces that I'm going to try on in today's vlog in the description box, along with a coupon code YES where you can get extra savings. I did want to stick to simple, like, neutral colors. I love Shein because they do all of these really cute matching sets. I love a good set. I love a dress from Shein. If ever I don't know what to wear for like a night out, it's gonna be a dress, it's gonna be a set, because it's already a whole outfit picked out for me and I don't have to worry about, does this match, yes or no. These are actually in medium, so that means the top is also a medium, as they did come together and the sizes are going to be the same. So this is a really cute print for the fall time. I also really love the neutral colors. I think this will be easy for me to style with just a simple like knit sweater, or also even just doing a sleek bodysuit. And I could wear this piece on its own. There's a zipper on the side to get into it, and it doesn't seem to have any sort of pockets. But how cute would this be with some sheer black tights and then like some boots? Oh, I love me a good boot in the fall. And it also did come with this matching top, which I think would be really cute to also layer like a long sleeve fitted black top underneath, just to play around with different ways to style it. Or I could just wear it on its own as just a vest since it's not super chilly here. I think this is going to be really cute. I really like these sort of like preppy vibes. It's kind of giving me Gossip Girl energy, and for some reason I just love that preppy aesthetic. Sticking to the whole blazer thing, guys, I don't know what it is with me recently, but the way that this was calling my name, it is in this beautiful olive tone. I just feel like this with my skin tone and my dark hair, my brown eyes, baby, it's a look, okay? So I have these like brown leather pants, and I just feel like that would look really cute with this blazer. I ended up going with a size large in this. For my layering pieces, I like to size up because I don't really like them to be too fitted, and with Shein sizing, I do feel that they run a little bit tighter than a typical like US size would. So I definitely just pay attention to the number that is next to like medium or large and go based off of that. I know this is not match, but I just wanted to see how it kind of fits, and like the sleeve length is perfect on me. So really happy with the way that it's sitting with the shoulders, and if I wanted, I could definitely button this down, but the color, baby, the color is everything. And then the button detail is in like a brass hardware. So quality wise, this is really nice. The buttons do make a noise. Other than that, I like the material feel. I already washed all these things and I hung everything up on a clothing rack to dry because I did not want the dryer to eat up the clothes or ruin them. But the stitching is really nice. There are like slight padding in the shoulders, but nothing too crazy. I don't do a lot of padding up here because I already have like a nice built back and I don't need to look bigger than what I am. So I really like this. For sizing, definitely recommend sizing up if you want to layer it or if you just want a more relaxed fit. These came together. These are, I want to say, a size medium I got. So it comes with a mid-length or maybe a maxi length skirt. I got the chocolate colorway. I just love any type of shade of brown in the fall and also winter. Also feel like it goes really nicely with my skin tone. This is a really nice knit. There's a slit at the bottom, so I think it'll be nice and comfortable to walk in if you want to wear heels and you have a little bit more room to take a longer stride. There's also like an elastic waistband, so I would say it's about 1 inch in width and it's very stretchy. So I feel like if you're in between sizes with this, you could definitely go up or down just depending on how you want it to fit. The body of the skirt, since it's knitwear, is very stretchy on its own as well. And then the top to go with it could also be worn individual, which is why I love sets. I would say this is more of like a fitted top. So if you want the top to be bigger, definitely consider sizing up, but keep in mind that you're going to also size up in the skirt as well. So this one just has like a basic crew neck cut. And I think this would be cute to kind of tuck into the skirt as well. So really love the knitwear. Very soft after I washed it. And being that I just hung it up, it didn't get like fluffy or anything from the dryer, but still very, very nice. The next piece I got, I loved this color. I don't know, it was just also calling my name. I love a faux leather jacket as an overlayer just with jeans and a basic bodysuit. You can really do a lot with it. And also with like dress shorts, I think would be cute too with like a bodysuit. I just love basics. So when I go into Shein, I shop basics, I shop neutral colors, I shop for things like overlayers, things that kind of add to a basic outfit, but not really too trendy. I don't know, trendy pieces are nice too on occasion, but I'm trying to build a basics wardrobe, and I feel like this is going to be something that I'll get some good use out of. It also has slight padding in the shoulders as well, nothing crazy, and I really like this little rose detail. It kind of reminded me of like a Chanel rose, and this is in a size large from their MOTF line, which I really like. It definitely gives me Zara vibes, that entire collection. So if you're a Zara girl and you want to shop on a budget, definitely consider going over to Shein for like their pre-Black Friday and just seeing what they have to offer, especially since things are about 90% off, and seeing what they have, because the quality of their pieces is really nice and the styles are just basics, but like an elevated basic. I would also say the quality of this like brand, or range rather, is a little bit nicer than the basic Shein products. So sleeve length is really nice. Granted, I have on a workout top underneath. The fit is really nice too. I don't mind the slight padding here. I think it adds a little bit more shape to really snatch in the waist. And I just feel like this would pair so nicely with a bag in this color or shoes in this color, and an all black like leather pant with a black bodysuit. I just feel like that would be super cute. So I really like this piece, and it doesn't have a smell. Sometimes, I will be for real guys, faux leather pieces can have a smell, and I already washed this, like I said, hung it up to dry, has no smell. And then it also has like a satiny lining in the inside. Next up is this sweater, which is just screaming December. And I cannot wait for December. For some reason, I'm just so obsessed with Christmas and the holidays, and I already have some Christmas pajamas that I got from Shein in the last vlog, so naturally I was like, oh, we need to get a nice forest green sweater. I think this is a long lined oversized sweater. I do think I got this in a size large. I can't find the tag, I might have cut it out, but it's definitely oversized. I think this tucked into some faux leather pants, some boots, boom, it's a look. Wear it with some jeans, boom, it's a look. Whatever, some trousers, it's a look. I don't think it's long enough to wear as a dress. No, it's not. So definitely just an oversized basic. This came in so many colors, guys. So I just opted for something that was more like holiday-esque. And I think this will be such a good wardrobe staple. Again, I just hung it up to dry. It does have a little bit of fuzzies, but I think that's just the material of the sweater. It looks a little bit like worn in. These next two pieces were also a matching set, and I went crazy for these because these are tall. Okay, I learned my lesson a million times before. If it's a pant, I can only wear Shein tall sizes because they're always going to be high waters if it's the regular sizing, and the way that these drag on the floor, baby, I'm obsessed. So these I got in a medium, right? A medium tall. So definitely check that out. I'm only 5'6", but I'm all leg, no torso. So I definitely am a tall sizing when it comes to Shein. I really liked these trousers. I'm a trouser pant girl. I just love pants over jeans any day. It has an elastic band in the back, which I can really appreciate because my waist and my legs and thighs are not the same size. So having that extra stretch I think is really going to be perfect for me. And it's a really nice medium toned gray. You could also wear a belt with this as it has belt loops and a black and grayish toned button with zipper closure. Really love these pants, guys. They're nice, loose, wide leg. So I think these would be really cool to wear with just like a chunky dad sneaker. You could totally dress this up. You can make it street style. You can pair it with the matching top that it comes with, a basic bodysuit, oversized sweater. Like you could wear this as a set or as an individual piece, which I really loved. Very, very nice. Again, they keep putting these slight shoulder pads. Again, nothing crazy, so I don't mind it. And I do like that it is a looser fit with me sizing up. I am in between sizes. I do mediums. I can do small if it's oversized, or I want a looser fit, I'll do large. I could also do extra large, depending on what it is, if I want like a hoodie or something. So I just feel like this is going to be so cute. Even if I layered like a sweater underneath for the winter. Really nice long sleeves. Yeah, this one's definitely more loose and relaxed of a fit. So I do love this set. I would say this is a thinner material, still really nice, but you could probably also wear this in the spring too. So it's gonna be like a nice all year round type of set. This also caught my eye, and I didn't know how I was gonna feel about a piece like this. I saw something similar at a more expensive place, but again, I didn't want to commit to the price tag, so I added this to my cart immediately. I picked this up in a medium, and I'm not sure if I should have gotten a large just because there's not that much stretch to it, but they're not trousers, baby. It's a skirt with a nice little slit. So I thought this would be so cute with, guys, thigh-high boots or like knee-high boots, and also like a fitted like bodysuit or something like baggy on the top. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with it. I would say this has like a taupey, like brownish gray colorway. You could definitely wear some, maybe like a thin belt because the loop isn't that wide. I will say the stitching on this is not the best compared to all the other pieces. There's some frayed bits around here that I'll have to cut off. So yeah, the stitching on this piece isn't crazy amazing, but the structure and the pleat detail on the back and the slit, I think it's really cute. And the final piece of this video, you guys, I think is so freaking cute. This one I probably got in a large. It's this oatmeal colored cardigan. You could wear it buttoned up or make it as an over layer, so unbuttoning it and then pairing it with something else. And I think this is so freaking cute, you guys. Again, I washed it and hung it up because I knew this might shrink, but it has a nice bit of stretch to it. Here you can see the specks of like the tan going through the beige. So I think this is going to be a really nice staple piece. It has like a balloon style fitted sleeve. And I definitely recommend sizing up with this piece if you want it to be more relaxed. But this with like jeans and some Uggs, I think is a really cute, perfect everyday outfit. So definitely check these pieces out and head over to Shein to get in on all the pre-Black Friday sales. Get that early access, girl, at 90% off. And I'll put the discount code below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what piece was your favorite from this video. I would love to know. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!